This type of role isn't new to me. I've worked in medical devices for over 10 years now. I've got a lot of experience in the technical field. I was looking for a new challenge when I joined Mi3. What attracted me was that my skill set, it's quite a unique skill set, and it fit perfectly with the role here.
Well, I've been with Mi3 from the very beginning. I'd never find it a problem getting up to come to work.
I started working at Mi3 6 months ago. I'm on my life journey to explore medical environment. As I'm only young, I haven't done so many jobs, but I can tell this one is the best.
Mi3 strives to be the best, and quality is a word that gets used a lot. It's the description, really, the definition of what we do. Everything's quality, quality, quality.
One of the things that attracted me when I came to Mi3 was initially at interview stage, just the warm welcome I received, and at that point I realised that this seems like a happy environment for me to come in and work.
You work in a good team where it then becomes like part of your family, and I just wanted to be a part of it.
I mean, I've only been here a short time. Everybody made me feel very, very welcome from day one.
It is a warm environment, yeah, so at first I was obviously nervous. I think they've taken into me and I've taken into them, so I get to know everyone on a personal kind of level as well.
The fact that you're working amongst people that you can get on well with, you can work well with, makes the job a lot easier to do.
Everything that we do at Mi3 is about our product and patient safety. We've just become certified with MDSAP. It means that our customers can be confident that we have high regulatory product safety and quality standards in all of our devices.
It's an important role, doesn't matter what part you play, it's very important what we do.
You know that you're doing good, and at the end of the day, when you come home, you know that you've potentially saved somebody's life.
What's noticeable at Mi3 is that it's very important that they get the job done and they do a great job for customers, but what they also recognise is at the same time that it's important that employees learn and develop from their work experience.
We recently won an award from Medilink for our input and development in our staff. There certainly is a culture of development and progression at Mi3. We have a significantly large training budget. A lot is placed on development in the organisation. It helps my personal and professional progression, but also it's going to add significant value to Mi3.
There's a focus here on getting the task done, but there's also a focus on the people, and that it's the people who do the task, and that when employees are learning whilst doing their work, they're a lot more engaged, and that delivers great customer service.
You stand a good chance of forwarding yourself in the company if you're sure that you want that sort of thing for yourself. They certainly take that on board.
And you can see that they want the company to succeed, they want it to develop, they want to be able to go places with it.
Within training, there's always someone there who's available who can always find you the answer.
Mi3 saw the potential in me, and they invested in my career. They put me on a college degree to get me up to that management level, and here I am today as a happy manager.
It's a challenging environment as well, but it keeps you going. It's a motivating place to work.
I would recommend the job definitely in a clean room or anywhere else in Mi3.
At Mi3 we have values that we follow, and we have a culture of support for each other. I'd say we are a family here, and certainly we strive to recruit into that family.
I believe we're all in as one team, we share the vision. Even though we have individual teams, I believe the bigger vision, everybody's involved and aware of it. I don't think anybody's left out at any stage. Everyone has full involvement.
I've most definitely seen over the past few years how, employees, managers have absolutely flourished within this environment, this culture that's heavily promotes learning and development and people development, and that is great to see.